Okay, so it is about 8:18 p.m. on Friday, August 23rd. And as I can see, we are going to do another unboxing. So, I was walking around Big Lots today, just curious to see what they have, because Big Lots actually has a decent product line of fans. Actually, let me turn on the refrigerator for some background noise, and it's also hot in here, so yeah, Big Lots has a quite decent product line of fans. They have their Climate Keeper brand. They have two Lascos, or the newer style wind machines, and some Comfort Zone products. I didn't see any Comfort Zone products tonight, but I did see a new brand that they have that's, I don't know, it looked more of a store brand. It said Clean. It was Clean Zone, I believe it was called, something along those lines. And I have the product right here on the floor, so not gonna show it what it is yet. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, the Clean Zone or something along those lines were two. There's two of them. There were two desk fans, and one of them was opened, and the other one wasn't. And then this little guy caught my eye. This, hold on. Oh, I thought it was already been. Oops. There we go. This is the Climate Keeper 9-inch portable box fan. Yep, this is my first box fan in the collection, and this is also my first Climate Keeper product. And I wanted to get a Climate Keeper fan for quite a while now, just to test it out, see how it is. One of my friends actually has a Climate Keeper high velocity fan in her backyard, and it looks to be more than a few years old, and it still works pretty good. It's small, but I think it's like a 12-inch or something like that. I don't know what year it's from, but it seems to work pretty good. So I kind of have high hopes for this little thing. But yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. And this is the closest I'm gonna get to one of those little like Duracraft or Lakewood portable box fans. So yeah. It's kind of similar to one of those, but not really. It's kind of similar to the Mainstays one from Walmart, but there's a difference. There's quite a difference here from that to this. But yeah, let's check it out. So, it has, let's go through all the buzzwords on the box. Yeah, it is quiet and powerful motor. I doubt it. It has a little seat frame shaded pull. Actually, you know, that one quite surprised me, and that also quite surprised me. Yeah, those are on the bed because I had those on this. This is my little new setup. It is lightweight, which I actually kind of believe that because these are actually kind of small, so, and it's plastic. So it is 3-speed control, which is good. It's 3 speeds, I like that. Slim profile. Here's your safety instructions and shit. Here's the bottom of the box. It is model HB-BN-9B. I don't know what this says. Distributed by Big Lots Store, Columbus, Ohio. Made in China. Ooh, made in China. And then here are the warranty informations that I just don't care about. So let's go ahead and unbox this bitch. And yes, I am using a flathead screwdriver to rip through the tape. So don't mind me. It's the only thing I have. Here's the instruction manual. We'll get to that in a minute. And the fan herself, ladies and gentlemen. The product itself. Okay, here's the product itself. It's a little bigger than I thought, honestly. It is white. This is the only color they had. And this is the only white fan that I have in the collection. Because all my other fans are black, and the Hunter is a bronze color. I forget, bronze, gold, whatever the fuck it's called. Yeah. So here it is in all of its glory. China glory. Yeah, I know.
Mike, you want some Carvel ice cream?
No.
No?
We are going to unwrap the cord here, and we are going to do a little walk around of this little thing. And see how it runs. So here is the cord for the fan. It is a fused plug, which is quite typical. The cord, I want to say, is at least 7-8 feet, which honestly is not bad. It's not that bad. See my little phone brick. ow, this out of there, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the fan, and I can already see something that I like about it. All my other fans start from high to low. This starts from low to high. As you can clearly see. Yeah, the light's a little So here's the fan itself. See, it does have a C-frame straight pull motor, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but whatever. Here's the information tag on it. It is 9-inch portable box fan model HB-BN-9B, 120 volt, 60 hertz, 35 watts. That's a lot of power. Thermally protected, made in China. Oh, made in China. Manufacture date November of 2024. QC pass. I have no idea what that means, but it passes the QC. Here's the back of the fan. Show you it has the feet already assembled on it, and from the looks of it, it's actually easy to take apart. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Phillips head screws that hold it together, which is actually very good, in my opinion. The Climate Keeper badge is obviously a fucking sticker, so yeah, but let's go ahead and plug this little thing in and see how it runs, shall we? Because I could also use this little guy as a window fan, which I plan to use. So, yeah, there we go. Let's go ahead and start it up. Wow. It's quiet. I wasn't expecting that. It's quiet. And it's pumping out a nice little breeze here on low. The motor is cold. This thing's been sitting in the store for probably quite a while. But it's getting, I can feel the air increasing just ever so slightly as it gets up to its full low speed. And actually, I'm not gonna lie, it's putting out a nice, gentle, decent breeze. Actually, I'm quite surprised. I wasn't expecting that. Here's the medium. Also have the Frigidaire on in the background, but I'll turn the Frigidaire off for that after we're done testing it for the first time and see how quiet this thing actually is, because it seems actually pretty decently quiet. The medium is putting out a nice breeze as well. It's very gentle. The output is very gentle. Here is hi. Huh. Not that much of an increase between all three speeds. High is actually putting out a decent amount of air, a good amount of air actually. High speed is actually putting out a good amount of air, surprisingly, as it gets up to its full high speed. It seems... I don't know if it's supposed to be running this slow. It seems to be running pretty slowly. Balance is decent. It vibrates, but what are you gonna do? It's a plastic blade, so let's go ahead and shut it off. Spin down time is actually quite good. Now, with the recent trend of modern fans not coming oiled from the factory, I thought this might be a culprit of that, but I don't think it is. I think it just normally runs that slow. Here's low. Yeah. I guess it's a slow running fan. Which is not bad, honestly. It puts out a decent breeze for what it is. Speed the spin down on low. Decent. Alright. I'll turn the refrigerator back on later. But right now, let's go ahead and test the fan without the Frigidaire being on. So here's the low speed. See how quiet this is. Wow. It's silent. Damn thing's fucking silent. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting it to be this quiet. Medium. Yeah, now you could hear it on medium, but it's still quiet. It's a nice little hum it's producing. See if it has a little any. Now it seems to be running a little bit faster. Now that the motor's warming up, it's been running. It's running a little bit faster. And high speed. Hey, it's not bad. This thing is really not bad at all. I mean, I didn't know what I was expecting with this thing. I thought it was kind of gonna be crap, but I'm decently impressed with it. I am decently impressed with it. It is a nice little fan. I'm thinking, do I want to open it up? I just bought it. Actually, you know what? Let's see if it has any startup sounds. Instead, we'll save that for another day. Let's leave it put together. The bearings seem fine, but it the startup sound kind of sounds like the bearings are dry. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear this. As you can see, the bearings are fine. Yeah, I might have to open this up tomorrow before I find out what's happening. And
I said the best thing for him would even be the night shift. I could go in like 5 o'clock.
see what that is. But yeah, just from letting it spin down, the bearings are actually fine. It seems to have a oil motor.
How is it?
Good, very good.
Oh, it's cute.
Yeah.
Oh, my darling, what a mess in here though.
Yeah, I know. I have to rearrange some stuff. It's quiet.
Yeah, I don't hear it at all. I thought it wasn't even on.
Yeah.
Oh.
Or just is a nice gentle breeze.
Oh. You know, at that rate, with all the fans and the fan, maybe we could really take the air conditioner out of the window and not use it no more.
Yeah, I could just put this in the window. It's quite cute.
Cute. Do you want to watch something with me on TV?
Another
No.
fan?
Yeah, look at that though. Isn't that cute? I said with all his fans, you
Put
can
it
put the
here.
fan
You can save on the air conditioner.
and save on the
Yeah.
air conditioner.